Yes, hello?
Am I speaking to Mr. Schwarzen Drover?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I didn't hear you. You asked who you were speaking to, but I couldn't understand what you said.
Okay, I said, am I speaking to Mr. Schwarzen Drover?
No. No,
Am I
you're
in the
not.
wrong number?
Okay, how can I help you?
Sir, this is Rebecca from Home Services. I'm calling today about the water heater that you have at the address 155 Norfolk, Stratford. Is it correct?
Okay, you're calling me about my water heater, right?
I'm calling you about the rebate of the water heater.
Oh, okay. What about it?
So, are you at the address 155 Norfolk, Stratford?
Yes, where exactly? What city and town are we talking about?
Okay, sir. So, we are calling you today because you didn't receive any rebate of the efficiency of the water heater, which makes you now pre-qualify for up to $400 coming as a rebate to you. So just to confirm, are you still the homeowner?
I actually rent.
You renting the house?
Yes.
Okay, sorry for bothering you because I have to talk to the homeowner. Thank you so much for your time and have a lovely day, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, you should have the landlord's phone number. Why are you calling me?
Okay, because I thought that you are living in a house and you're owning, not renting.
No,
That's
I
why.
no, I'm living in a house because uh it costs too much money, like the mortgage payments are too much, so it's much cheaper for me to rent it out. To rent it, right?
Uh, I can't hear you. What did you say?
I said that it is so expensive with mortgages, it's just cheaper for me to rent out, right?